Hey guys, it's Travis, your manufactured home nerd, coming to you from Bolton Homes. Today we are bringing you another house. This is the MD 3232 plus 6 feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. A customer came in on a Saturday and wanted to completely custom design this house. They already wanted this floor plan. They just wanted to make a few changes to make some more space and make it more theirs. Now this house is not going to get put together here on the lot, so I'm only going to be able to show you a few things. We will go in and check out the master bathroom and check out the master bedroom, living room, kitchen, and utility room, but we won't be able to see. These are the bedroom 2 and 3 right here. Those windows, we won't be able to go in there without cutting plastic, and I don't want to do that. I'll try and minimize how much plastic we cut, but you can see it is a fairly large 3-bedroom house. Really nice look on it. Did the clay with the brown shutters. Wind zone 2, so we got a little bit of extra tie downs because this is going in central Louisiana. Doesn't really need a wind zone 2 on it. We'll go around here. One of the great things you can see, it's a fairly heavy house. It's got 5 axles, and they do that 12-inch I-beam and the 12-inch hitch because it is a pretty heavy house. You want to make sure that it's supported, that back straight, that basically the spine stays straight. We're going to see what the back side of the house looks like as well. I haven't got a chance to walk in it yet, so we'll kind of get to see a little bit together. Just your profile of your back. That first window on the left is your master bathroom. And that's your closet, that transom window up there, and your kitchen and dining area. And there's your water faucet on the back, as well as your exterior outlet. We're gonna hop inside, see the living room first, then we'll probably hop right back out and go on into kitchen and dining area. So give me just a second, I'll hop on in there. Well guys, instead of hopping up, because it's just the one room we can see, I wanted to show you kind of from the bottom of the door that this is your living room. Customer requested no fireplace, but they did want painted sheetrock throughout. It is 8-foot ceilings. Got the big crown molding at the top, ceiling fan in there. Of course, vents in the ceiling, upgraded insulation. And that's your master bedroom there, so I guess I will have to hop up in there after all. Give me just a second, guys. All right, we got a little bit better view of the living room now. Just feeling a little too big to be hopping up and down if I can help it, but hey, that's okay. They also didn't want any beams in this house. Wanted to kind of make it look less rustic, but that is definitely an option. One of my favorite things is when a customer wants to custom design. And this one had some very specific requests that we were easily able to drop their floor plan for them first thing that day. So we're gonna go see what the master bedroom looks like. It's a good size, no carpet in here either. Definitely room for a king-size bed, if not more. Now that is an extra closet there. Customer requested that so that she'll be able to put gun safe there in the corner and let it be kind of hidden, but also wouldn't have a bunch of wall space that was wasted. And that would be the master closet. And then from this doorway here, that goes into the master bathroom. We will hop in that master bathroom and see what it looks like. You can see it's just a really good size. She chose not to do the ceiling fan in here, but it is wired and braced so that she can do it. All right, guys, we're gonna go hop into the back half of the house. One of the other things, you'll notice if you pull up the MD 3232 by Kabco, you'll notice that she flipped the floor plan as well. We came in through the chateau door there into the dining room. It's a good size for a big table. A nice big island, room for stools. Also storage on the ends here. A lot of drawers in this kitchen. A lot of doors as well. Upgrade stainless appliances, more storage right here. Of course, the big farm sink with a nice window right there. You see the beautiful hood and an extra cabinet stack there. Now coming from the kitchen, going down this hallway here, you'll see the utility room and bedroom 2 and 3. We won't be able to see it because it is not put together. But right here, let's see what we got. There's the guest bathroom. Good size sink. It's actually a really good size in here. Elongated commodes. Why not do the bigger commode? Fiberglass tub shower combo. And of course that transom window. Let in some more of that natural light. And an extra cabinet stack for storage. Because it wasn't quite room for a closet in here, so we do have space for towels, toilet paper, stuff like that. Coming through here into a really nice utility room. You got an extra closet here for coats. We could do it as a linen closet if you choose. And a lot of cabinet space. Cabinets right above the washer and dryer space. Of course, this house does have PEX plumbing throughout, and it does have shut-off valves at all of your commodes and sinks. There's your whole home shut-off, and a nice mop sink here with another window above it so you can watch the kids play, or in our case, look out at the field. And a cottage door there for your exit, as well as space for a freezer. Space for a freezer there as well. And there's your AC as well as your water heater coming through his hallway. Kind of opens up to either or. That would be bedroom 2 and 3 right there. Open into them, or come into this extra closet space here. Little pantry, or just storage in general if that's what you choose to do. Quite a bit of options in this house. Like I said, we love the custom design. Oh, I didn't even point out the ceramic tile on the backsplash. Let's take a look at that. It gives it a nice look as well. That is real tile. And just so y'all see, there is a light underneath the hood if you need to. Of course, Kabco does offer different style hoods. They got the Euro hood, and they also have the slide here. They have the sliding glass door option, or just windows if you choose. This chateau door is a nice look as well. All right, we're gonna go check out the bathroom. Give me just a second to get over there. All right, this is an absolutely gorgeous bathroom. It's got the knockdown vanity, drawers on either side for both sinks, as well as extra storage space there. And there, of course, the mirror's already hung. Sorry if you had to see me. And then something that we hadn't had for a while, but now offered by Kabco, is that freestanding tub. It's really deep. It's got just a really nice look to it. Of course, the big window here, your toilet, and then a 60-inch tile shower, the rain shower hood, or not hood, sorry. Rain shower faucet. I'm having a moment, but oh well. If you guys like this house, or if you'd love to customize a home, we would love to help you. We can draw your floor plan from scratch. We can take one that already exists and make it yours, but we can do different touches like the cabinet stack, stretching the home, moving stuff around, whatever you like. We'd love to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit subscribe. I'd love for you to watch all the videos. Have at least 2 come out a week. This week I got an extra one dropping. So we always love to show whatever we can. And don't forget to reach out with any questions. 318-487-1819. Y'all have a great day.